Just say it again. Just say it again. Just say it again.
First time. Going to the car wash. We're going to the car wash.
What?
All right, John, let's go. Come on. Huh? Car wash time.
Oh, that's the vlog?
This is a vlog camera. Oh, you're already on there, bro. Oh no. Oh no. Raw and So we're at the car wash. Get off my car. This fool. We're about to go home and dry them.
Look, he's kind of hot. He can't hide.
Look, Mike doesn't know that my camera can do this and I can go like that and get him. Yeah, so
Just go to the house and dry.
yeah. Greg's car's all nice and washed. Woo! Huh? The white stuff? Yeah, we will. What? You guys trying to get the tire stuff?
No. I was just looking at the price. Actually, get it.
Oh yeah, $2. I got one of those at the house, in my room. The red, I always get red, you already know.
Oh, the air freshener?
Everybody knows I got trees for days. Not the good trees. Not the other trees.
I got those trees.
Greg got those trees.
Push the start. Just kidding.
I pushed the start. Alright, so we're rolling to the house now?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye, Michael. Bye, Michael. Alright, let's go. We're gonna dry the cars at the house. Take some pictures. Roll out. Let's go. Push the start. It's dark up in here, y'all. Alright. I will, I'm not really dressed, but, woo, I will check y'all later in a minute. So we're here, back at the house. Mike's car, my car, Greg's car. Y'all working so hard like y'all some slaves. Mike is still in his car like having a full-on discussion. But we're chilling. So the cars are officially clean. Thank
Hey, the sun is going down, bro.
Work. My door's open. Look at this. Don't worry, grinded. Cars are looking good for the meet tonight. There's a meet tonight? Oh yeah. Alright, let's do them. Oh, bruh. If you guys, I'm gonna try to get as close as possible, but I'm not.
Right up on that
Oh my goodness, bro. Look at that. We got a tarantula. Dude, it's huge, bro.
got big ass fangs, dude.
How you feel about that, Greg?
Fuck that.
You like the nature now?
Let's just burn this whole neighborhood.
Welcome to California. Bruh, this is.
I ain't fucking with that.
That is huge, bruh.
I would fuck with a black widow over that shit. I ain't fucking with that. don't even know
Yo,
if that's
that's part of Hated Crew. That's the new member we got.
That's our fucking mascot.
Yeah, that's our new mascot for Hated Crew, bruh.
Everybody hates spiders.
Exactly, like, We get those in the garage sometimes, but they be nice. Yeah, we get those in the garage. We just take a shovel and we just throw them out. But welcome. Yeah, welcome.
Go pick them up and pet them.
What?
Feed that fool like a cricket.
Almost.
Yeah,
What? No. Let's go eat.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out.
I'm ready to eat.
I don't think I'm hungry anymore.
Oh, okay, you guys want to cook it? You want to cook it? Why not?
I'll eat that shit.
White people.
White
people.
White people would do great.
That's crazy, bruh. You gonna run it over? Oh.
It's like your girlfriend.
That's your boo day?
Trelicia. I like them with that 70 style snatch. Hairy as fuck.
Yo, bro. Alright, well.
Food?
Yes.
Food.
Here, Joe. We're so hungry. We're about to smack. No, that camber is ridiculous, bro. I can't do it.
Oh my god.
That's a too much camera. That's a Japanese camera, huh?
That's demon camera.
That's ridiculous, Mike. You don't get my car like that?
You want to be gay?
I'm not doing it.
Do it, bro.
Huh?
Just do it.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
Just do it.
It's a Debra. It's an Oreo. Oreo. It's a nice night out. It's nice blue eyes in the back.
Right. That's it. Someone get murdered right now. Right.
Yeah. What are y'all watching over there?
Really?
Yeah.
We're just focusing on Mike's face.
We just play music on this part.
You're 40 cents out.
Just put like one of those mean faces over my face. Yeah. Fucking troll face.
We're just gonna put an emoji over there. That one to cry. Or Michael Jordan's face that's crying.
Michael Jordan when he had his Hitler stash?
Yeah. Anyways. Oh yeah, bro. We need our food. Those shots actually pretty good. Oh, it's like big, son.
Push to start?
Push to start. My car's push to start.
We didn't hear it first time.
Don't be mad.
So you're a Ford? Inside too? That fucking widget?
I just realized that too. What, inside? I have it inside.
Nobody in it.
Bruh.
Looks like it's blocked up. What did you just do?
Zoom in. There we go. Thank you. It does work. It does work.
I should arrive. We lie so vacant in the dark. Take me now so I can wake up and drift away.
The food has arrived. The ketchup king. Boom, boom, boom.
Joseph, you got this drink, bro?
Oh, why is it so big?
That's a large.
I didn't get a large. I just said the burger special. That's it. Oh.
The pink lemonade, I'm gonna laugh my ass off when that lid comes out.
That's all.
Sorry, I kicked you in the
You better be sorry.
That's fine. So wait. Which one did you? We both got it? No, I got.
You got the avocado burger and fries. Mine should just be a regular. Come on, bro, get it together.
I'm trying to figure out which one's mine. You guys got number 6?
Yep. Scion XP rolling out. Should have got it.